High in the Andes of Ecuador sits a mountain that could, in theory, change the future of space travel forever. Its name is Chimborazo. While everyone focuses on reusable rockets, some engineers have quietly pointed to this one peak as the perfect place for a completely different kind of launch system, a maglev track that could fling payloads into orbit for a fraction of today's cost. But is it actually possible? Located just 1 degree south of the equator in Ecuador, Chimborazo's peak is actually the farthest point from the center of our planet, about 2 kilometers farther out than Mount Everest because of Earth's equatorial bulge. That gives it two huge advantages for space: a free 400 meters per second boost from Earth's rotation, and air that's roughly half as thick at 6,000 meters altitude. Less drag, more free speed. So naturally, engineers started asking, what if we built a maglev launch pad here? But here, why it's flawed and will probably never happen. Building a perfectly straight, vacuum-sealed or extremely high-speed maglev track on a steep, icy, seismically active volcano is an engineering nightmare. The upfront cost would be tens of billions of dollars. The weather at altitude is brutal, hurricane-force winds and extreme cold. Environmental and political hurdles in Ecuador would be massive, and even at 6 kilometers up, you're still fighting significant atmosphere at hypersonic speeds. The technical risks are enormous, so why are reusable rockets the far better path right now? Because today the cost of a rocket launch is dominated by hardware and operations, not fuel. On a Falcon 9, the propellant is only about 0.5% of the total price. Starship's methane and liquid oxygen are even cheaper per kilogram. SpaceX has already driven costs down from over $10,000 per kg to around $2,000 to $3,000 per kg through full reusability. Engineering more efficient engines like Raptor will keep pushing that number lower. Perfecting chemical rockets is the goal until fuel itself becomes the next big cost driver, and we're nowhere near that point yet. Chimborazo is an incredible mountain with an incredible idea attached to it, but reusable rockets are winning the race to cheap space access. Would you like to see a maglev launch system built someday? Drop Chimborazo in the comments and let me know. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.